Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ki Deputy Commissioner but ki Superintendent of Police Jongki Artli District ka West Karbi Anglong but ka West Jingkyntur. Hak arpotrik ujuliu arajar arpusan clear kendo lang hak interstate border meeting ha border outpost Assam kebadan hakan Duli West Jingkyntur District. Kediga Jingkyntur lang kelong banyakran halo ke Jingkyntur Port badang Shen jong ka Karbi syaka Shnong Lapangap West Jingkyntur District. Hak ni ka Jingkyntur ki arliang larai ban penne ya ke syongsok syongsan bat larai ru ban penne ya ke status quo hakinu kinu ki kampen roy bat pentre da ki district bat ru banyetre lang rengkat bat penne ya ke syongsok syongsan hakishnong khapot Assam Meghalaya hadim belawai ke jingalang ki arliang district la Hiar syaka Shnong Lapangap ban pensenge ki Karbi ki blalur penmadan da ka po shilum ya ulum penthor.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.